Hello guys and welcome to Ukeguide. Today I'm going to teach you how to start playing ukulele in 5 easy steps. So if you made your mind to learn this instrument, this is a must-watch lesson for you. And by end of this lesson, you will be in a better state to understand all technicalities about ukulele. So let's quickly start learning these master steps. So there are many types and flavors of ukuleles available in the market, and as a beginner it is always helpful for you to buy a recommended instrument which has a good tonal quality, wood top, pitch and easy to hold fretboard. So as you are buying your first instrument, I would recommend you to go for a soprano or a concert size ukulele. Right now I'm holding a concert size ukulele. It has more number of frets than a soprano ukulele, and that's a major difference. Apart from that, soprano and concert size ukuleles are almost the same. So I have added few links in the description box below, so you can go and check them out. They are all good quality ukuleles and highly recommended for beginners. So you can hold your ukulele against your chest like this, or you can place it over your thigh across your abdomen like that. In both the cases, you should make sure that you are in a comfortable state. So your shoulders should not be in a struggle position. They should be free and you should be comfortable enough to play the instrument. So now let's learn about the strings of our ukulele. There are 4 strings on the fretboard and these strings are numbered from down to up, which means that the lowermost string of our ukulele is called string 1 and the uppermost string of our ukulele is called string 4. Ukulele sounds pretty bad when they are out of tune, so make sure you tune your ukulele regularly. You can either use an automatic tuner or a mobile app to tune your ukulele. I've added few links in the description box below, so you can go and check them out as per your choice. There can be multiple tunings available for ukuleles, but we mostly tune our ukes in standard tuning, that is G, C, E, A tuning, which means that string 4, 3, 2, 1 have G, C, E, A sound respectively. So it's like. Like other stringed instruments, ukulele fretboard is linear in form, which means notes are placed one after another. So you can move horizontally across the fretboard like this, or you can move vertically across the fretboard like this. So as you know, in standard tuning we have the first string with the sound of A. So the sound is coming in open position. So as you progresses on the fretboard, like on first fret, if you tap string 1 on fret 1, then it will sound A sharp. When you go to next fret, it will sound as B. When you go to next fret, it will sound as note C, and so on across your fretboard. Strumming is very important, but it can be a pain area for most of the beginners. It is not only about your hands, but also about your brain to do a repetitive task again and again. So in this lesson, I'm going to teach you 2 strumming techniques which you should practice until you master them. Now let me tell you which part of your hand you should strum. So you can either use your thumb or your first finger to strum ukulele strings. So while playing these 2 strumming patterns, you do not have to do anything with your left hand. You just have to use your right hand for now, and you have to play the strings. So if you are using your first finger, you can strum like down, 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 down. And if you're using your thumb, you can strum like down, 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 down. So practice these 2 strumming patterns slowly and easily. The first strumming pattern is down, 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 down. Wait for 2 seconds. Down, 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 down. Now in strumming 2, you have to play up strokes. So it would be like up, 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 up. Now wait for 2 seconds, then up, 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 up. So practice these exercises regularly until you see a smooth movement of your hand. Initially you might see some challenges, but with practice you would be able to achieve it. Alright guys, so that was the basic know-how of ukulele, and I'm sure by now you have a good understanding about this instrument. I'll be coming up with more lessons like this in future, so go and subscribe Ukeguide now and do not forget to hit the bell icon. So until next time, do take care of yourself, respect your parents, do good to others, and bye-bye.